Child safety seat laws in North Carolina. Traffic accidents can be dangerous. While most crashes are minor, some result in serious injuries or fatalities. Data collected by the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, shows that an average of 3 children are killed and 429 children are hurt every day in the United States in traffic accidents. Proper restraint is essential to the safety of children traveling in vehicles. All 50 states and the District of Columbia have child restraint laws in place to help protect children while riding in motor vehicles. Child Passenger Safety Law. The Child Passenger Safety Law, GS 20-137-1, requires all children to be properly restrained while traveling in a motor vehicle. The proper restraint is based on the age, height, and weight of a child under the age of 16. Children ages 16 and over are covered under the regular adult safety restraint laws. It is important to note that the driver is responsible for all passengers under the age of 16. The driver must make sure that every passenger has and uses a seat belt. There are several exemptions to the seatbelt law. Exemptions from the law. There are several exemptions to the child safety seat laws. Vehicles that were manufactured prior to seatbelt laws are exempt. This includes cars made before 1968 and SUVs and cans made before 1972. Ambulances and emergency vehicles are exempt from the child passenger safety law. Another notable exemption states that if all the seats with seat belts are occupied, any remaining children can legally ride without restraints. Seatbelt and restraint requirements. A car seat or booster seat is required for any child under the age of 8 or weighing less than 80 pounds. There is no specific rule in place for the type of child seat needed, but the seat must be used properly and in accordance with the manufacturer's instructions. Also, safety seats must meet all the federal safety standards that are in place. Children under the age of 5 and who weigh less than 40 pounds must be restrained in the back seat if the front passenger seat has an airbag. Booster seats must be secured with both lap and shoulder belts, and not with the lap belt alone. The only exception to this rule is a child who weighs at least 40 pounds, who can use a booster seat that is restrained only with a lap belt if a shoulder belt is not available. As a child grows, they should progress from using an infant rear-facing car seat to a standard child car seat, to a booster seat, and finally to a seat belt. Parents need to purchase the correct seat for the child's age and weight and ensure that it fits in their type of vehicle. Also, make certain that you install it properly and securely to provide the protection necessary. Drivers are responsible for making sure that all passengers, including children, are using seat belts or other safety restraints, according to the law. Drivers may be ticketed for the failure to restrain children.